This is the Echo Dot wall mount. Unboxing. Including the package is one outlet wall mount stand, one USB cable, and one user manual. Here's the USB cable, wall mount, and user manual. Here I'm going to show the assembly of the wall mount, USB cable, and adapter. So first thing I'm going to do is plug in the USB cable with the Echo Dot and the other end to the adapter. Finally, I insert the Echo Dot to the wall mount and the adapter in the little slot underneath. As you can tell, the Echo Dot is in there pretty well, and so you just plug it in, and so plug it into the wall outlet, and you're done. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.